Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we will look at a tool that I developed, Excel file to JSON. So in this tutorial we will look at how to build this tool in Node.js Express, and we will be using a package in Node.js XLS to actually work with Excel file to actually convert the data which is present inside Excel file to JSON. So this is actually a tool that I developed on my freemediatools website. The link is given in the description. You can check out the live demo. So this tool allows you to actually upload your Excel file. So whatever data is present inside your Excel file, it will actually convert that data into JSON. So if I open this Excel file, you will see all this data will be there in this tabular format. We have these headers, we have rows, columns. So all this data that if you want to convert this into JSON format, you simply need to select this file. After you select it, click on download JSON file. So as you click the download button, your JSON file will get downloaded. And if I open this this JSON file, you will basically see it will actually convert this into an array of object, each object representing one record. So this is actually segment. You can see that country, product, discount band. This is a second row data. This is a third data. Like this, you can see that it has converted this into an array of objects, a JSON file right here. So we will be looking at how to develop this application in Node.js Express. I will show you step by step. And for building this application, I used a package. If you just search for this package, which is XLS, it's called as SheetJS, and SheetJS, it's a library name. You can even work it in the browser side as well. 2 million downloads are there. You will see that. Very simple command, npm i xls. So simply you need to install it, and I'm also running this server on localhost as well. So if I just show you localhost 3000, I developed this locally as well. Now you can upload the same file right here also. If I upload this file, click on convert and download JSON, and now you can see that again output.json will get created and the same file will get created. So I will now show you guys how to build this application. It's very easy. We need to install Express, EJS, Malter and XLS. So these are the four packages which are needed. Express will be the backend server, EJS will be the template engine, Malter will be used to actually upload files to your server, and XLS will be the actual library which will convert the Excel file into JSON. So just install all these four packages by using this command, and after that just make a index.js file inside your root directory. So I will simply delete everything and start from scratch. Just make index.js file guys right here inside. So now to build this application, I will simply show you step by step how I want to develop this. So the very first thing guys we need to do, we will delete everything from here and start our nodemon index.js. So we have started this file right here. So for the very first time, here we need to simply make our Express server. We need to instantiate, require it at the very top, and just make a new Express app like this. So we're making a new app, and the app will listen on port number 5000, and in the console log you can simply write a message that app is listening on port 5000. And after this guys, we just need to simply set the view engine that we installed, which is EJS. So in the next argument, EJS. So here we need to simply make a views directory inside our root directory, and inside this we need to make a index.ejs file, not JES but EJS. So let me just correct that. Index.ejs. It's a simple file, HTML file right here, and we will give it a title which is Excel to JSON. So this will actually be making a simple post request guys. So right here we can simply show this file to the user. So whenever someone goes to the home route, we can simply show this file to the user. Response.render index. We don't need to write the extension. So it will, someone goes to the home page, we need to simply have a simple form right here. You give it Excel to JSON, and we'll simply make a post request method post, and right here we'll give it a label. We'll simply say upload Excel file. So here you will be asking the user to simply upload input type file, and you will only be accepting Excel file, so .xls, and it should be required, and that's all. So we also need to give it a name parameter right here, so we'll say file, and then after this we will simply have a button to convert to Excel, convert to JSON, sorry, convert to JSON. So we are making a simple post request, and also we need to write here encoding type multi-part form data because we are uploading file. So this is actually a form that you will see if you go to the home page, localhost 3000. Okay, I think I'm running this on localhost 5000. I need to change the address. You will see that you will actually see a form right here, upload Excel file. We have a simple form. We choose file button where we can select all Excel file, and then we have a button right here. So we need to simply make this post request from Excel to JSON. So inside our index.js file. So right here, Excel to JSON. So inside this file, guys, we need to make a post request. So what I will do is that we also need to write here require Malter library, because we do need to upload the file first of all before we process it, and we also need to import this XLS package as well, so require that also. We also need the built-in file system module, so just require it, and also the path module as well, so also require this also. So after this, guys, what we need to do, we need to set the Malter engine. So we need to simply say Malter is a constructor, and here we will be passing the destination, so where you need to save your file after you upload it. So we need to store it in the uploads directory, so this directory will automatically get created after you upload the file. So you don't need to manually create this, you will see automatically it get created. We haven't created this, as I mentioned this code right here, it automatically got created destination. After you do this, we now inside the app.post request, we do need to say here, we need to pass this middleware. We will be uploading a single file, and we are passing this as a middleware. If you see, we have written this middleware right here, Malter middleware. So whenever someone makes a post request, first of all the file will be uploaded. So here you need to give the same name attribute that you have given. So we have given the name attribute as file, so we are replacing the same name attribute like this, and after that request response, and then we can simply say console log request.file path. So this will actually contain the path of the uploaded file. So if I just show you, if I select the file right here, click on convert to JSON, so what you will see in the command line, it has printed out the path, temporary path that it has uploaded this file. This is the actual path that we got right here. You will see that the file is uploaded. If you see that the file is uploaded, so now we need to process this file. So what I can do is that we can simply have a try catch block. If I have any sort of error, we can console log it. So in the try catch block, guys, what we need to do, we need to get access to the workbook XLS, and it contains a method of read file. We will basically read the whole file by using the file path that we got. So we need to pass request.file.path, and then we need to get the current sheet number. So we can do this using workbook.sheetnames. So it will actually contain an array. So we need to get all the data which is there in the Excel file. So we can say sheetnames.reduce, it's an array method, and there sheet name, it will be an arrow function, and right here inside this function, we need to get access to the current worksheet number. So worksheet, you can say workbook dot sheets. Again, this time we can actually pass the sheet number. So here in square bracket we can simply pass the current sheet name that we have. We are getting this like this, so here we need to replace this sheet name that we are getting, and then we need to convert this data into JSON. So we can simply say here XLS contains this package that we are importing it. It contains a utils and it contains this method sheet underscore to underscore JSON. You can see you can convert this into CSV, HTML, JSON, all this text. We need to convert this into JSON, so you can simply pass the worksheet like this, and then actually sheet name is equal to JSON data, and then after that we just need to return ACC right here from it. And also in the second argument we need to write here empty object we need to pass. This is all that we need to do right here, and after this we just need to get this JSON content store it in a variable and use JSON stringify to actually convert this data to a JSON object. So all data null and 2, that's all. It will convert all this data which is coming right here guys to a JSON object because we are using JSON.stringify. So after you do this, we just need to download this file as an attachment. So we can simply say output path.join in the current directory, just make this folder in the uploads directory, and we call this as output.json. That's all. And now to basically save this file, we can say fs system file system. We have this method to actually save this at this current location with that JSON content like this, and the encoding type is the third parameter UTF-8 encoding type. So we have successfully saved this. After saving it, we need to download this file. So now to download this, we can say response.download. Download this output path. File name will be output.json. If any sort of error take place, this will be the callback function. If any sort of error take place, we can console log it. If no error take place, then we can simply download the file. We can remove this file from the file path after it has been downloaded. So we need to remove this file request file.path and also remove this output file as well. That's all. So that completes the application guys, and I think I can now go to the application localhost 5000. If I upload a Excel file, click on this button, you will basically see it will download this output.json file. And if you see, if I just show you output.json, in the root directory we basically, so this is actually the output.json file guys we got right here, and you can see it contains array of objects, the current sheet number, because we only have one sheet right here. If you see that we only have one sheet right here, sheet 1, so it basically contains sheet 1 data. It contains array of objects right here. You can see that. So each object has a different object right here. Each data has a different object. So it has converted this Excel file to a JSON object. So in this way you can do this, and you can also try out my free media tools live demo as well. I deployed this website Excel to JSON, so the link is given in the description, and if you want the full source code you can directly purchase it from my website as well. All the links are given in the description, you can check out. And thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.